Welcome to List It Live, where we give you a guided tour of San Diego's hottest homes for sale. I'm here with Rebecca Monge.
Thanks, Courtney. Great to be here.
Yes, love having you in the studio, and we're so excited to share your latest listing. So this one's in Oceanside. It's a 6-bedroom, 6-bathroom, 3,300 square foot property. Tell us about this home and why someone should go out and see it.
Well, I think this is a really good opportunity. This is in Arrowood, which is a stunning community in a golf course community in Oceanside, very near Camp Pendleton as well. You can see from the outside, absolutely beautiful. Here you're seeing it's got a really good size lot. It does have solar panels on there as well. This home is very large. The backyard is very private. Lots of potential back there. Lots of a room for a patio, barbecue, everything you want to do, swing set or whatever. The home is upgraded in many ways. It does have granite. It does have beautiful cupboards. That solid tile floor is throughout most of the downstairs. It has a very open feel. It has high ceilings. This is open onto that kitchen, dining area, family room area. So it's very big and open. This is the primary bedroom, which is upstairs. It's unusual. This is a 6-bedroom, 6-bath. There is a bedroom and bathroom downstairs, and this is one of the 5 bedrooms upstairs. And you can see this primary bedroom is huge, huge primary bath with giant walk-in closets with closet built-ins. It has a walk-in step-in shower and a huge bathtub. This is the laundry room downstairs, very big, lots of storage, sink, walks into that 3-car garage, which is also very big. They have done a little bit of adjustments to it, where normally you would walk in and you would see a parlor. They've actually put a wall there and created a 7th bedroom downstairs with the dining room parlor area. And so that could be removed and turned back into that, or if somebody did want 7 bedrooms. This home does need some work. I would call it a minor fixer. Mm-hmm. So that's why I think it's priced really well. The carpet and things like that need to be replaced. There's a little bit of work here and there that needs to be done, right. Paint and everything. We did get a quote from our flooring guy, Luis, who's amazing, who said $5,000 to replace all the carpet and pad in the whole house. I think this is a great opportunity, and one of our associates is holding it open this Saturday, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., but they can call for a private showing anytime. I think this is a real opportunity to get into the amazing Arrowood community.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much for sharing. And like you said, it seems like a great opportunity for a buyer, someone who's looking and willing to do those minor renovations to really make it their own. But be sure, if you're watching this, to stop by the open house this weekend or give Rebecca a call if you'd like to set up a private showing.